equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the clutch and rubber feet of your Thermomix TM21. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any internal cleaning. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the machine. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the base. If you notice any dust or debris, use the clean cloth to wipe the internal components. Regular cleaning can prolong the life of your appliance. Now, let's focus on the clutch. The clutch is usually located near the motor. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to it, taking note of their positions for reassembly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. With the wires disconnected, use the pliers to remove the old clutch. It may require a bit of force, but be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the old clutch is out, take your new clutch and position it correctly. Reconnect the wires as per your notes. Next, we'll replace the rubber feet. These are essential for stability during operation. Remove the old rubber feet by pulling them off gently. If they are stuck, a flathead screwdriver can help pry them off without damaging the base. Take your new rubber feet and press them firmly into place. Ensure they are secure and evenly positioned. This will help prevent any wobbling during use. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base cover back on, ensuring no wires are pinched. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Before you plug it back in, double-check that everything is in place. If you need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM21 and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the clutch and rubber feet on your Thermomix TM21. Regular maintenance like this can keep your appliance in top shape for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.